A lot of time I've come across customers complaining that their phone earpiece or microphone or speaker, the sound doesn't come out very well, and a whole lot of them think maybe is the microphone or the speaker that is faulty, but unknown to them is a different problem. So all you need is a brush to be able to clean the phone. So I'm about to start cleaning this one. You can see how it looks like. There's things covering it, staining the earpiece. So we're going to clean all this, and once you clean this earpiece, this speaker part, and you're making call, you see that you'll be able to hear whosoever that is talking very well. Once you clean it, then at the speaker part there can also be garbages, dust covering the speaker, making it that whenever someone is calling you, you see that you can't be able, your speaker will not be able to ring out very well, even though you have put the speaker at the highest volume, but you see that you're unable to listen to the ringtone, or maybe whenever you're playing music you're unable to listen to the music and the music is not loud. So you also have to clean this part of it. You clean both sides, and it can also, whenever you can also have dust covering the charging port. We've had a whole lot of people saying that they can't charge their phone. They may think maybe it's the charging system that is the problem. These are what is covering. You can have a whole lot of dust covering the charging system also, so you can also clean it if you like. But on this one there's nothing covering the charging system or hindering it from charging, so you can see it's very clean. Now whenever you are playing music, you see that you'll be able to hear the person very well, and you can be able to play music and hear whatsoever the person is saying. Thank you for watching, and please click on the subscribe button.